My name is Macey Jones and I'm studying PSET, known as Post-Compulsory Education and Training. I've chosen PSET because I've always wanted to be a teacher. I'm really interested in educating new students. I was a student here 5 years ago. I'd done the sport course here. I then went on to do 3 years at Cardiff Met University studying sports conditioning, rehabilitation and massage. And then I came back here then to study my PSET qualification, and I've now got a job within Coleg Gwent. I enjoy the practical side of things, so having my placement within Coleg Gwent and teaching, so putting all of our learning into practice. The best thing studying at Coleg Gwent is definitely the tutors for me. Like I said, they're really supportive and encouraging for us all to do our best to achieve the best grades possible. So everyone in the class has come from different backgrounds, some law, some have been nurses, for example. So it's quite interesting really, and we all have a really good relationship because we're all in the same situation. It's more of change of career. In the future, after the course, definitely is going to increase my knowledge when teaching new students to come. Also, I'm interested in doing a Masters at Cardiff Met, which is a Masters in Strength and Conditioning. I definitely recommend the PSET course at Coleg Gwent. The fab staff here, there's a lot of support services for any students with, for example, additional needs. They're so supportive here and the content is really, really useful.